Do you want to start a YouTube channel and the thing stopping you, like it has for me for the last almost 10 years, is the ability to speak to a camera? Well, that's the reason I'm doing this 100-day experiment, is to see if over those 100 days of publishing 100 probably terrible videos, if I can get more comfortable speaking to camera. But along the way, I'm also trying to find things that will make my life easier. And one of the things I found is the pull, paint, point method by Alexander the Create. So whenever I've tried to do videos in the past, there's just far too much going on. I need to remember to look at a camera, which makes me really uncomfortable. I need to remember what I'm actually trying to say, remember how to speak. Yeah, like this. It kind of loses my point. And that's really difficult. And I've usually ended up extremely frustrated and very stressed, given up, deleted the whole video and given up on the idea of YouTube for another few years. The problem is I don't want a script. The channel that I want to do doesn't really lend itself to being scripted, and I prefer watching YouTubers who are actually talking naturally. So I need to figure this out. And I come across this pull, paint, point method. It's not easy to say, and that has helped me. Now, I also suffer from chronic vestibular migraine. What that means is I don't get a headache, which is great, but it does affect my balance, my coordination, it affects my cognitive function, is probably the worst symptom. To the extent I've managed to get lost walking home on a route that I've walked 100 times before, which is not great. I have a migraine now, and this is why I'm struggling so much. I lose the ability to speak sometimes. I mean, because it affects my coordination, it affects my ability to actually speak. I can sometimes slur, and almost always it makes me lose my words. Like this. And the more I'm trying to think about what I'm saying, the worse it gets. Now, I get these migraines pretty much daily, so I can't wait for a good cooperative brain day in order to film. I've got to find ways to film, migraine or not, unless they're really severe, well, nothing's happening then. But I have confidence that I can do that. I've found ways to work around it in work. I can find ways to work around it for YouTube. And the pull, paint, point method has really helped in that I can remember it for starters. Can't say it so easily, but I can remember it. And each of the words actually makes sense. So you're pulling your audience in, you're giving them a reason to care. You're painting a picture for them through a story or an illustration that makes it easier for them to understand the point you're making. And then you point them in the right direction. Give them an actionable takeaway, something they can do. So it makes sense to me, and because it makes sense, I can remember it. I mean, there's loads of strategies or what's the word? I can't remember the word. Step-by-step processes on YouTube. Start with a hook, do this, do that. Can't remember any of them. I'm sure they're great. I'm sure they work brilliantly for people, but I can't remember them, so they're not good for me. But the pull, point, paint, point, I can remember. And it makes logical sense to me, which means it takes a lot of that cognitive load off. And while, clearly I'm still uncomfortable, I'm still struggling to string my sentences together, this is a massive improvement over previously. Unfortunately, none of those previous videos have survived. They all got deleted, so I don't have an example. I probably should have done a baseline video before I started, but You live and learn. I will put a link in the description to the method, to a video where Thomas explains the full method in detail if you want to watch it. If you have difficulty, like I do, speaking to camera, it might help you too. Tomorrow, I'm going to be looking at how I've managed to restrain my perfectionism, or I'm trying to at least, during this experiment.